All right, y'all, we back. On this episode, we're going to take a look at a few classics. So stay tuned to the end so you don't miss out on nothing. We got a bad 1977 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Those wheels ain't your thing. You can put the stock ones on, and she'll still be bad, guys. She's absolutely beautiful. She got the 425 cubic inch 7-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. Paint is in good condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior's in good condition. She'll be a nice driver. And I think the wheels complement the paint well. Now I still get the stocks to throw them on, like during the winter or something, and put those wheels on during the summer if she was mine. But I drive her though. Drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think. And tell me, would y'all drive it like this with these wheels? Would y'all throw the stock ones on? I know some guys don't like these type of wheels. The 20-inch wheels ride pretty good. I know a lot of guys ain't into the flashy thing. I'm not big myself, but I would ride her just like she is. Let's go check out that interior. And of course, you got power windows, power locks. Mileage reached a little over 82,000. Seat show signs she was driven. No major rips or tears or anything though. Headliner. Check out that back seat. Good condition. Package tray. Check out that dash. Oh, that dash is nice. Upper dash has opportunity. Has a few cracks. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the 425 cubic inch 7-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. That's my favorite displacement engine, the 425. I have a 455 in my Regal, but if I could get my hands on a 425, I would love it. There's no replacement for displacement. Let's start her up. She fired right up. Make sure y'all go check out rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. Got financing available. I wouldn't want to miss out if I was y'all. She's running nice and strong. We're not over yet, guys. We still got a couple more to see, so y'all stay tuned. Next, we have a 1975 Pontiac Grandville Brougham convertible. She's sitting on a set of 22-inch spokes and vogues. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior's in good condition. She has the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. What y'all think? One thing about Pontiac engines, it's no small or big block. They're the same size externally. They just got different internals. She has power windows, power locks. Mileage reads a little over 46,000. Seats nice and clean. Back seat. Convertible top functions as it should. Upper dash. Lower. And there she is, the Pontiac 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering. Let's go start her up. She fired right up. Finally, we have another 1975 Pontiac Grandville Brougham convertible. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues. Of course, she got the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame is solid. Floor pans are solid. Paint in good condition. Interior is in good condition. Which one y'all taking home? Check out this interior. She has power windows, power locks. Mileage reads a little over 38,000. Back seat. Convertible top functions as it should. Upper dash. Lower. The engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is, the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's go start her up. Make sure y'all go visit RollerMuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. If y'all want the more detailed videos, go and visit Roller Museum's YouTube channel. And we do have financing available. Thank y'all guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. Y'all have a good one.